Hello, this is Alex Strawley, and today I want to show you my collection of Titan Speakerman toys. Plush Titan Speakerman. This is probably my biggest toy.
Yeah, boy.
Very cool details. Black big speakers look so dangerous. It can sit down. Wow. Overall, it's a cool toy. I like it. You can still hang it. And the next figurine is so glossy and shiny. Amazingly made. I'll collect these toys right here. And, by the way, this is not the only such glossy figurine. I'll soon have an army of Speakermen. Now you will see the cutest Titan Speakerman. Just look at him. He's so chubby little. Yeah. He has such a cool keychain. It can be hang with something. This is Titan Man with white pants.
Ow.
I don't know why his pants are that color, but it looks unusual. If I'm not mistaken, this is the largest Titan speaker with a keychain. Beauty, I like. This toy is very nice quality. Wow, look at these icons. They look like the Squid Game in the TV series. Another one just like the old ones. Perfect. They're so solid and crisp looking. Another little Titan man with a keychain. But he's little more than a chubby speaker man. Cool keychain. What does it say here? Speakerman, Lala. Is it just me, or is it slightly different? Okay, let's leave it here. A little bigger, but just a scary Titan Speakerman. Small keychain. The same keychain. Again, the Speakerman Titan, but this one is bigger. I just noticed they have such cool keychain.
You showed him.
And the last one, biggest Titan Speakerman. The biggest! Let's compare these two plush toys. I think this one is a little bigger. This is what they look like together. They both have cool jetpacks on their backs. I like both. Let's put them here for now. I have collected so many toys with Titan Speakerman. Write which one you like the most. Do you remember which videos they were in before? Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments about your favorite Speakerman Titan. I, Alex, was with you. Thank you all for watching, and bye